can winter tires save you money on your monthly premium with your car insurance provider? Do you know? I'm from FreeAdvice.com, and we are here to get you your best insurance at the best rate. Go to FreeAdvice.com now, compare rates, click on our compare rates. You can choose from a drop-down menu, all kinds of insurance rates you can get quotes for. But we're going to look at auto insurance rates, enter your zip code, and you're off to the races to find the best car insurance at the best price. So, winter tires. Now, if you send a Google question out there and you say, can winter tires lower my insurance premium? You can find a lot of answers saying yes, 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 yes. However, when you click on all of these websites, guess what you don't find? You don't find actual insurance companies listed. They give a random, many insurance companies will provide 2 to 5% discount on monthly premiums. But I have not been able to find the exact car insurance company that's willing to put themselves out there as the named company that provides winter tire discounts. That is something that you would have to look for by talking to an agent, by tailoring a package to you. So maybe mainline insurance providers do provide that 2 to 5% discount, but they're not advertising it. They're not putting it on their homepage. They're not putting it out there as their common discount package. So now that we kind of know that, is there any advantage to doing winter tires? Before we talk about winter tires, let's talk about what types of tires we have available to us today. So Geico has a nice little article about tires. They want to keep their clients safe on the road. And they point out all-season tires. And that is a hybrid tire between winter tires and summer tires. And we'll dive a little bit deeper into that in the future. But what is a winter tire? Why is it for the winter? This is the key. The tread compound in winter tires is made to remain pliable in temperatures below 45 degrees Fahrenheit. And also the grooves are widened for heightened grip, okay, and slippery conditions. Okay. But what does that pliable rubber mean? It means that it stays softer. There's more contact with the road at colder temperatures. Think about what typical things do in the cold. They freeze, they contract, okay? This rubber is designed to be able to stay pliable, to keep contact with the road, even in those cold below freezing temps. So all-terrain tires are another option. They have open space in the traction lugs and grooves of the tread and are ideal for operating in rugged terrain on occasion. Run flat tires are designed to keep you rolling far enough to get to where you can safely replace the tire. So the sidewalls of run flat tires are stronger so that they can bear the weight of the vehicle. It may not be able to keep your vehicle running at highway speeds. So run flat tires will have a speed advice. Once the pressure of the tire is compromised, they will have an advised speed that those tires are rated for. But it's a speed that will get you to that tire shop without having to call a tow. That's the idea behind run flat tires. And then sport performance tires, okay? Now, let's go for a little more in-depth look on what performance tires are, because they sound awesome, don't they? Performance tires. Well, performance tires are designed to give the owner of sports cars and other vehicles increased handling response and traction, okay? So who is looking for performance tires? Drivers looking for, first and foremost, for precise handling with improved grip and responsiveness. So if you have that really powerful engine and you want to take it around some curvy road, you want to take it around some curves, you want your tires to be able to hold up to the power that your drivetrain is bringing. So these type of tires are designed to hug the road, to give you crisp handling. What are the drawbacks? Why wouldn't everybody be using performance tires? Because you end up sacrificing gas mileage, ride comfort, and tire lifespan. They give you great control on the road, but they're not going to be the smoothest ride. They're not made to be cushy. Okay. And then it's for drivers who don't simply want to go from point A to point B, but desire a heightened driving experience. So if you are truly a driver that wants to test your car's handling, look into performance tires. They tend to be way more expensive as well. So that is another deterrent. Whatever tires you have, whatever car you have, if you have that sports car, if you already have those performance tires, whatever, you need to get yourself to FreeAdvice.com and you need to use our comparison tool because it's so easy, it's so quick, and it could save you hundreds on car insurance every month, every year. You don't know what you could be saving until you enter your zip code and start that process. Now, once you click on that compare rates and you select auto insurance or whatever insurance you're interested in, and you put that zip code in, you click compare rates, it will start a process that asks you questions about you, your vehicle, and why are we asking questions like this? To try to get you discounts, because insurance companies rate risk at different levels. So if you don't have a clean driving record, guess what? One provider might be a more economical option for you because they're more comfortable with that risk level than another top provider. So you need to do this deep dive, answer these questions, and get the best comparisons sent to you. Now, tire safety, okay? The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration talks about tires because they want to keep you safe on the road, and tires are the part of your vehicle that actually come into contact with the road. So they give an overview. Safety is a top priority. TireWise is your resource to help you make smart decisions to keep you safe. Okay? So here's their little program, TireWise. Okay? But they talk about the life of a tire. They talk about tires getting recalled. Tires can be recalled. It happens. You can check their website and find out if your tires have been recalled. Now they have a buying guide. They sum up the different types of tires as well. Okay. And then they talk about tire quality grading system. That is their safety rating system. So they look at the tread wear and they give grades for that tread wear. And then traction, they give grades A, B, C for traction. And then temperature. Okay, tires resistance to heat. So they expose it to sustained high temperatures. That can happen in real life when you're driving long distances and you don't give your vehicle a chance to cool down on that long trip. That can cause significant damage to the tire. So they rate the temperature for the tires and then size of tires. Now, obviously, if you take your vehicle in to get new tires, they will look up your actual VIN number to make sure that the tire that they're putting on your vehicle matches your vehicle's factory recommendations. So then the next and most important topic that they talk about is tire maintenance. Did you know you are responsible for maintaining your tires? Okay. It can cause blowouts on the highway. It says in 2022, a total of 562 people died on the road in tire-related crashes. That's a significant number. So save money, yes, by taking care of your tires, but also save lives by taking care of your tires. And these are their tire safety maintenance tips. Tire pressure, tire tread, balance and alignment, tire rotation, and tire size. Now, tire rotation, having your tires rotated and monitoring the wear patterns on your tires can tell you if there's problems with your balance and alignment. And that could save you significant drivetrain damage. And so following their steps to maintain tire pressure, I know tire pressure sensors tend to go out pretty quick on a vehicle. So a lot of people are comfortable driving around their vehicle with their tire light on because it's just a bad sensor. It's not accurately representing the tire pressure. If you are one of those people, you need to be manually checking your tire pressure. And so keep that in mind. Using the right tire pressure saves gas mileage. It will extend the life of your tire and it will keep you safer on the road. So you can look at all of this. Tires age, rubber ages, it breaks down, okay? And you need to maintain it. So all that to say, let's get back to this whole winter tire topic, okay? So maybe you won't get an insurance discount. Maybe you will. But why would winter tires still be attractive to a buyer? Well, here we have a report from the University of Michigan that talks about the surprising findings of winter tires. It's not just about snow. So this author points out the comparison of footwear to tire. Okay, so you put significant thought into what you put on your feet, put significant thought into what you put on your tires. You wear different types of shoes for different environments. By selecting the correct tire for conditions, we effectively increase tire adhesion limits in slippery conditions. You want that tire to maintain contact with the road, and you want that tire to be less likely to lose control in the event of traction loss. So this study shows traction and braking. And what they point out is that winter tires increase safety. Okay, a Canadian study attributed a 5% reduction in serious crashes to the implementation of a mandatory winter tire legislation. Many countries have a winter tire legislation. A lot of those companies are in Europe with mountain driving. And in fact, those legislations, those laws put into place prompted the tire industry to really make advances in tire technology. And that's where we get the all seasons tire. So a lot of these countries that mandated winter tires, the all season tires meet the winter requirements, but they were able to hybridize the rubber to work in those cold climates without sacrificing integrity or gas mileage in the warm seasons of the year. So, I mean, there are many crash studies that show winter tires are important and they are life-saving, and they do help a driver maintain control in a spin-out kind of situation. And they point out in this, he also points out you can't just throw the winter tires on. If you have a front wheel or a rear wheel drive, you can't just replace the two driving tires with winter tires and expect things to be stable. You need to replace all four tires if you're going to use winter tires. So it is safer. All this to say, it is safer to use winter tires in the winter. Now, can you drive snow and winter tires year round? Because a lot of people don't have room to store the tire. They don't want to pay to have the tires replaced every season. So why not just drive with winter tires? Well, the reason you can't do that is because there's faster wear on warm drive pavement. The tread rubber of winter tires is considerably more flexible than that of all season and summer tires. That same pliable tread rubber that acts as traction in the winter wears down quickly in warm temperatures. And summer and all-season tires are built to withstand the warmer temperatures. So your wear life is decreased and your performance is decreased. In warm weather, winter tires won't provide the same handling capabilities as summer or all-season tires. Imagine having your tires soft and squishy. You won't get the crisp response. And the specialized compounds and tread designs of winter tires are not designed for optimal warm climates. So the softer the tread, the faster that they will wear out. So you're not supposed to use winter tires year round. And especially, this is talking specifically of the rubber. There are winter tires that have studs, and they are, I believe, illegal in many states to use year round because of the wear that they cause on the roadways during the summer. So winter tires, they are safer. They may not get you an insurance discount. They may. You need to take that on a case-by-case basis. You can get the best of both worlds by going with a hybrid, which an all seasons tire. It's really phenomenal what they've been able to engineer with rubber and tread to go through all seasons of the year without having to change your tire. But like I said earlier, whatever your tire situation is, head over to FreeAdvice.com. Use our auto insurance comparison tool, answer a few questions, and get customized quotes sent directly to you so that you can compare and save. Thanks, and have a great day.